Welcome to a new era in creativity, where artificial intelligence is not just a tool, but a collaborator in the world of art. Over the past few years, AI-generated art has moved from a niche experiment to a mainstream phenomenon, capturing the imagination of artists, designers, and audiences worldwide. In this video, we'll explore how AI-generated art is reshaping the creative landscape, challenging traditional notions of authorship, and opening up new possibilities for expression. Let's begin our journey by understanding what AI-generated art really means and why it's making such a big impact. AI-generated art refers to artworks created with the assistance of artificial intelligence algorithms. These algorithms, often powered by deep learning and neural networks, can analyze vast amounts of data, learn artistic styles, and generate original pieces that sometimes rival those made by humans. From digital paintings to music compositions, AI is now capable of producing a wide range of creative outputs. This technology is not just about automation. It's about augmenting human creativity and enabling new forms of artistic collaboration. Generative algorithms, such as generative adversarial networks, GANs, have played a pivotal role in the evolution of AI art. These systems work by pitting two neural networks against each other. One generates images, while the other evaluates them. Through this process, the AI learns to create increasingly sophisticated and realistic artworks. This breakthrough has enabled artists to experiment with new styles, blend genres, and push the boundaries of what's possible in digital art. Rather than replacing artists, AI is increasingly seen as a creative partner. Artists use AI tools to generate ideas, explore variations, and even co-create pieces that would be difficult or impossible to make alone. This partnership allows for a unique blend of human intuition and machine precision, resulting in artworks that reflect both the artist's vision and the AI's computational power. The relationship between artist and AI is evolving, fostering a new kind of collaboration in the creative process. AI-generated art is expanding the boundaries of what's possible in the creative world. With AI, artists can quickly iterate on ideas, generate countless variations, and explore styles that might take years to master by hand. This acceleration of the creative process enables more experimentation and innovation, allowing artists to break free from traditional constraints and discover entirely new forms of expression. The result is a vibrant, ever-evolving art scene fueled by technology. One of the most exciting aspects of AI-generated art is its potential to democratize creativity. With user-friendly AI tools, people without formal artistic training can now create stunning artworks. These platforms lower the barriers to entry, making art accessible to a wider audience. As a result, we're seeing a surge in creative output from diverse voices around the world, enriching the global art community and challenging traditional gatekeepers. AI-generated art has made a significant impact in the visual arts, from digital paintings to photography and sculpture. Artists are using AI to create mesmerizing visuals, experiment with abstract forms, and even restore lost masterpieces. The technology enables the creation of images that are both familiar and entirely new, blending the aesthetics of different eras and cultures. This fusion of tradition and innovation is redefining what visual art can be. Beyond visual arts, AI is also transforming music and sound design. Algorithms can compose original pieces, remix existing tracks, and even generate entirely new genres. Musicians are collaborating with AI to push the boundaries of sound, creating compositions that blend human emotion with machine logic. This synergy is leading to innovative musical experiences that challenge our understanding of creativity and authorship in the digital age. AI-generated literature is another fascinating frontier. Language models can now write poetry, short stories, and even novels, often with surprising depth and creativity. Writers are using AI as a brainstorming partner, generating plot ideas, or experimenting with new narrative styles. While AI-written texts may lack the nuance of human experience, they offer fresh perspectives and inspire writers to think outside the box. Filmmakers and animators are embracing AI to streamline production, generate visual effects, and even script scenes. AI tools can analyze scripts, suggest edits, and help visualize complex sequences. In animation, AI can automate tedious tasks like in-betweening, freeing artists to focus on storytelling and character development. This integration of AI is making film production more efficient and opening up new creative possibilities. Data is the lifeblood of AI-generated art. By training on vast datasets of images, music, or text, AI models learn to recognize patterns and generate new works. The quality and diversity of the data directly influence the creativity and originality of the output. Artists and developers must carefully curate datasets to avoid biases and ensure that the AI produces meaningful and inclusive art. As AI-generated art becomes more prevalent, ethical questions arise. Who owns the rights to AI-created works? How do we ensure that AI does not perpetuate harmful stereotypes or plagiarize existing art? These issues are prompting important discussions about authorship, copyright, and the responsibilities of both artists and technologists. Navigating these challenges is crucial for the responsible development of AI art. The question of copyright in AI-generated art is complex. In many cases, the law has not yet caught up with technology, leaving artists and developers in a gray area. Some argue that the creator of the AI tool should hold the rights, while others believe the user who directs the AI should be considered the author. As AI art becomes more mainstream, legal frameworks will need to adapt to address these new realities. AI models can inadvertently reproduce biases present in their training data. This means that AI-generated art may reflect stereotypes or exclude certain perspectives. Artists and developers must be vigilant in curating diverse datasets and regularly auditing AI outputs to ensure fairness and inclusivity. Addressing bias is essential for creating art that truly represents the richness of human experience. A common debate centers on whether AI can truly be creative, or if it simply mimics human creativity. While AI can generate impressive works, it lacks consciousness and emotional experience. However, by collaborating with humans, AI can inspire new ideas and approaches, blurring the line between human and machine creativity. This dynamic interplay is shaping the future of art in unexpected ways. AI-generated art is making waves in the art market. Some AI artworks have sold for impressive sums at major auction houses, signaling a growing acceptance of AI as a legitimate artistic medium. Galleries and online platforms are showcasing AI art, attracting collectors and enthusiasts eager to own a piece of this technological revolution. The marketplace is evolving, with new opportunities and challenges for artists and buyers alike. The rise of NFTs, non-fungible tokens, has further transformed the world of AI-generated art. NFTs allow artists to prove ownership and authenticity of digital works, creating new revenue streams and empowering creators. AI-generated pieces are now being minted as NFTs, traded on blockchain platforms, and collected by enthusiasts worldwide. This fusion of AI and blockchain is reshaping the economics of digital art. AI is enabling large-scale collaborative art projects that bring together artists, technologists, and audiences. These projects often invite public participation, allowing people to contribute ideas, images, or data that the AI then uses to generate collective artworks. This participatory approach is fostering a sense of community and shared ownership, making art more interactive and inclusive than ever before. Educational institutions are incorporating AI-generated art into their curricula, teaching students about the intersection of technology and creativity. By experimenting with AI tools, students learn to think critically about the role of machines in art and develop new skills for the digital age. This integration is preparing the next generation of artists to navigate and shape the future of creative expression. AI-generated art is now featured in competitions and exhibitions around the world. These events celebrate the creativity of both humans and machines, showcasing the best examples of AI-assisted works. Competitions encourage innovation, push the boundaries of what's possible, and inspire artists to experiment with new techniques. The growing recognition of AI art is helping to legitimize it as a serious artistic discipline. advertisers are leveraging AI-generated art to create eye-catching visuals and personalized campaigns. AI can quickly generate multiple design variations, allowing brands to tailor their messaging to different audiences. This agility is transforming the advertising industry, making campaigns more dynamic, efficient, and engaging. As AI tools become more sophisticated, we can expect even more innovative uses in marketing and branding. AI enables the creation of personalized art experiences, tailoring visuals, music, or stories to individual preferences. By analyzing user data, AI can generate artworks that resonate on a personal level, making art more meaningful and engaging. This customization is changing how we interact with art, turning passive viewers into active participants in the creative process. AI-generated art is making creativity more accessible to people with disabilities. Tools that convert text to images or sound to visuals empower individuals who may not be able to create art through traditional means. This inclusivity is opening up new avenues for self-expression and ensuring that everyone has the opportunity to participate in the creative process. Despite its promise, AI-generated art faces several challenges. Technical limitations, ethical concerns, and questions about originality can complicate the creative process. Artists must navigate these hurdles while also staying true to their vision. As the field matures, ongoing dialogue and collaboration will be essential to address these issues and unlock the full potential of AI in art. While AI can generate impressive works, human intuition remains irreplaceable. Artists bring context, emotion, and meaning to their creations, qualities that machines cannot replicate. The most compelling AI art often results from a close partnership between human and machine, where intuition guides the creative process and AI provides new tools for exploration. AI is being used to preserve and reinterpret cultural heritage. By analyzing historical artworks, AI can help restore damaged pieces, recreate lost styles, or generate new works inspired by the past. This technology is bridging the gap between tradition and innovation, ensuring that cultural legacies continue to inspire future generations. Artists are using AI-generated art to raise awareness about social issues, from climate change to inequality. By visualizing data or creating impactful imagery, AI art can communicate complex ideas in powerful ways. This intersection of technology and activism is giving artists new tools to inspire change and engage audiences on critical topics. Can AI-generated art evoke genuine emotion? Many artists and viewers believe it can. By learning from human-created works, AI can generate pieces that resonate emotionally, whether through color, composition, or subject matter. While the machine itself does not feel, its creations can still move us, sparking reflection and conversation about the nature of art and emotion. The rise of AI-generated art is changing the skills required in creative industries. Artists are learning to work with new tools, combining traditional techniques with digital innovation. This shift is creating new job opportunities, from AI art curators to creative technologists, and encouraging lifelong learning in the arts. AI is connecting artists across borders, enabling global collaboration on creative projects. Online platforms and open-source tools allow artists to share ideas, co-create works, and learn from each other. This spirit of collaboration is fostering a more inclusive and interconnected art world, where creativity knows no boundaries. Sustainability is becoming a key concern in the art world, and AI can help address environmental challenges. By optimizing resource use, reducing waste, and visualizing environmental data, AI-generated art can promote eco-friendly practices and raise awareness about sustainability. Artists are using AI to imagine greener futures and inspire action. Virtual reality, VR, is providing new platforms for AI-generated art. Artists can create immersive experiences, allowing viewers to step inside digital worlds crafted by AI. This fusion of VR and AI is expanding the possibilities for storytelling, interaction, and artistic expression, making art more engaging and experiential. Augmented reality, AR, is another exciting frontier for AI-generated art. By overlaying digital creations onto the physical world, artists can create interactive installations and public art experiences. AI-powered AR apps are making art more accessible and engaging, inviting audiences to explore creativity in new and unexpected ways. The metaverse, a collective virtual space, is becoming a new canvas for AI-generated art. Artists are creating digital galleries, interactive installations, and virtual performances within these online worlds. AI tools enable rapid creation and customization, making the metaverse a vibrant hub for creative experimentation and community building. Machine learning is at the heart of AI-generated art. By analyzing patterns and learning from data, machine learning algorithms can generate artworks that evolve over time. Artists are experimenting with adaptive systems that respond to audience input, creating dynamic and ever-changing pieces that reflect the ongoing dialogue between human and machine. Algorithmic design is enabling artists to create intricate patterns, generative visuals, and complex structures with the help of AI. By writing code or using AI-powered tools, artists can explore mathematical beauty and push the limits of form and structure. This approach is blending art, science, and technology in exciting new ways. Emotional AI is a growing field that seeks to understand and replicate human emotions. Artists are using emotional AI to create works that respond to viewers' feelings, adapting in real time to mood and expression. This interactivity is making art more personal and engaging, blurring the line between creator and audience. Storytelling is at the core of many artistic traditions, and AI is opening up new ways to tell stories. By generating visuals, text, or music, AI can help artists craft immersive narratives that engage audiences on multiple levels. This fusion of technology and storytelling is creating richer, more interactive art experiences. AI-generated art is appearing in public spaces, from digital billboards to interactive installations in parks and museums. These works invite passers-by to engage with art in new ways, transforming everyday environments into canvases for creativity. Public AI art projects are making art more accessible and fostering community engagement. Museums are embracing AI-generated art, curating exhibitions that explore the intersection of technology and creativity. AI tools are also helping museums analyze collections, design interactive displays, and engage visitors in new ways. The museum experience is evolving, offering audiences a glimpse into the future of art and culture. AI-generated art is prompting artists and audiences to reflect on questions of personal identity. By blending human input with machine output, AI art challenges our understanding of self-expression and individuality. Artists are exploring how technology shapes our sense of self and what it means to be creative in a digital world. Perhaps the most exciting aspect of AI-generated art is its unpredictability. AI can surprise us with unexpected combinations, novel styles, and new forms of beauty. This sense of discovery is inspiring artists to embrace uncertainty and explore the unknown, pushing the boundaries of creativity into uncharted territory. Looking ahead, the future of AI-generated art is full of promise. As technology advances, we can expect even more sophisticated tools, deeper collaborations, and new forms of creative expression. The relationship between humans and machines will continue to evolve, shaping the art world in ways we can only begin to imagine. In summary, AI-generated art is transforming creativity by expanding possibilities, democratizing access, and challenging our understanding of what it means to be an artist. While there are challenges to overcome, the opportunities for innovation and collaboration are immense. As we continue to explore this new frontier, one thing is clear. The future of creativity will be shaped by the dynamic partnership between humans and machines. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of AI-generated art. Whether you're an artist, a technologist, or simply curious about the future of creativity, There's never been a more exciting time to explore the intersection of art and artificial intelligence. The possibilities are endless, and the adventure is just beginning.